comes to AI,
generative AI.
think about it as AI.
Hello everyone! Can I ask you a question? Have you ever told Alexa to play a favorite song? Or asked Google to set a timer for noodles? Guess what? That's artificial intelligence. I keep hearing one word everywhere these days. AI, AI, AI. My mom says AI, my dad says AI, and everybody says AI. AI is a trending topic to talk about today. So I'm curious, what is AI? Even though I'm 7, AI is already part of my life. When I watch cartoons, AI suggests the next funny video. When my mom clicks photos, AI makes us smile brighter. And when my dad is driving, AI shows the fastest way home. So what really is AI? It's a computer that can learn and make decisions almost like a brain. AI doesn't come from magic. It comes from us, from the data, from the games that we play, and from the questions that we ask. Let me tell you a small story. Imagine AI is like a baby. When a baby sees cats and dogs again and again, it learns to say, this is a cat or this is a dog. That's exactly how AI learns too, by practice, practice and practice. Here's the big question. Will AI replace humans? No. Even though it's super fast, it doesn't have feelings. It can play chess better than me, but it cannot hug me when I'm sad. And that's why the world still needs humans, because only we have hearts. So my friends, here is my big idea. AI is not here to take our place. It is here to be our teammate. Just like Batman has Robin and Iron Man has Jarvis, we humans have AI. The future will not be AI versus humans. It will be AI with humans. Even though I'm 7, I know one thing. If we use AI wisely, kindly and creatively, we can make the world more awesome than before. Thank you, and remember, AI is smart, but you're smarter because you have a heart.